about unity digit and the power of a unity digit. That mean any number raised to power any number, any power. And they are asking the how to find, like they are asking find the unit digit. Like example is given here that it is a number 27,288 and raised to power the same number, and they're asking the unit digit. So how to solve this? First of all, we have gone through in this in PA 305. So in PA 305 already the concept of cyclicity told, but we have a quick revision regarding this. So here it is given that cyclicity, you can see that 2's cyclicity is 1, 2, 3, 4. After that cycle will repeat. For example, if I'm writing 2 raised to power 1, it is 2, then it is 4, then 8, then 6. Till 6, that means 16. I'm writing the last digit only. It is 0, 8, it is 16, then it is 32. That mean again the cycle will start after the fourth number. That's what we call the cyclicity, okay, in the unit digit. So each and every number is having the different cyclicity here, but no, it is not different. Like for 2, 3, 7 and 8 we have cyclicity 4, 4 and 9 we have cyclicity 2, and the rest of the numbers 1, 5, 6 are giving the same numbers after multiplying to the numbers. So that's why their cyclicity is 1. Okay, now we'll take an example to start with the topic, and after that we'll discuss the placement regarding question, that what type of question they're asking, and weightage of cyclicity in the placement exams. Okay, so here we have first we'll solve this. How to find unit digit of a given number raised to power any number. Okay, so we have example of 32 raised to power 32. So thing is, they are asking what? They are asking last digit. That means unit digit. We don't have to consider anything. Now just concentrate on the last digit. It is 2. Now our question is 2 raised to power 32. Find out the last digit. Okay. So 2 raised to power 32. So what is the cyclicity of 2? It is 4. So first of all we'll find the cyclicity. Okay. It is what? It is 4. Second step is divide the power given by cyclicity and find the remainder. So if I divide 32 by 4, remainder would be 0. So 0 means the cycle is completed. For example, if I say 2, 4, 8, 6 is the cycle of 2. So here if I writing 2 raised to power 5, what would be the digit, last digit? You will say it is 2. How? Cycle will start. But 2 raised to power 4 or multiple of 4 means the cycle is completed till here. That means 6. So in this question answer would be 6. 2 raised to power 32. If I check the power, it is 32 divided by the cyclicity of 4, cyclicity of 2. 32 by 4, remainder 0. We have to find the remainder. If remainder is 0, that means cycle is completed. So last date of the cycle. For example, if I say it is 32 raised to power 31. For example, if I am taking this, so in this case 32 last date is 2 raised to power 31. So now what would be the remainder? Remainder 31 by 4 cyclicity, remainder would be 3. So if remainder is 3, that means third number in the cycle of 2, which is 8. So 8 would be the answer in this question, right? So let us take the questions from placements and various questions asked in placement exams. So first I'm taking very simple question, that without power, if they are asking, we have to multiply the last digit only. 4 into 9, 9 into 3, 3 into 6. So if you multiply 4 into 9, 36, take 6, 6 into 3, it is 18, take 8, 8 into 6, it is 48. So answer would be 8 in this case. Second question, what is the unit digit in the product 3547153 into 251? 1 remains 1. From here we are getting 1. Now 7 cyclicity, you have to remember the cyclicities, or you have to check every time. 7 cycle digit is 4. So 153 by 4, remainder would be what? 153 by 4. Remainder would be, in this case we know that divisibility rule of 4. 53, if it is 52, then it is divisible, but it is 53, that means remainder would be 1, or 153 by 4, remainder would be 1. So in this case, remainder 1. In the cycle of 7, we have to take first number, which is 7. So 7 into 1, answer would be 7 in this case, right? Now let us take the next question. In this we have the plus sign and the minus sign here. We'll solve these. It is given what is the unit digit in the 264 raised to power 102 plus 264 raised to power 103. Now 4 is the last digit and cyclicity of 4 is 2. Okay, that means cycle will end if it is divisible by this. So cycle of 4 is 2. So divide 102 by 2. Remainder would be 0. That means the last number of the cycle in this case, which is 4 into 4, 16. So 6 would be from here, plus 4, remainder would be 103 by 2, remainder is 1. So first number is the cycle. So 6 plus 4 is 10. But we have to take on the last digit by adding these two. So answer would be 0. They're asking the last digit, na? So last digit of this number is 6. From this is 4. By adding these two, we are getting 10. That means 0 would be the last digit. Okay, let us take the next question. Next is 27 raised to power 23 minus 23 raised to power 27. They are asking that first we'll find the last digit of this. So 27 raised to power 23. That means 7 raised to power 23. So 7 is the cyclicity of 4. So 23 by 4 will give the remainder 3. So here we have remainder 3. Remainder 3 in the cycle of 7, we have to check the third digit. So 7 into 7, 9. 9 into 7, 3. So 3 is the third digit in the number of in the cycle of 7. So we'll write here 3. From here we are getting 3. From here 23 raised to power 27. So 3 raised to power 27, cyclicity of 3 is 4. So 27 by 4, remainder is again 3. So if remainder is 3, third number in the cycle of 3. So 3, then I'll write 9, then I'll write 7. So 3 minus 7 is the answer. So thing is, if I subtract 7 from 3, then I'll get minus 4. But in the option we have given 6, 4, 2, 8. So now let us have a deep let us look at the question. 27 raised to power 23. Probably it would be the larger number than this. 23 raised to power 20. It would be the larger number. So 27 raised to power 23 would be like this, something like this. First number, then last number would be 3, and 23 raised to power 27 would be like this. Some numbers would be there, and last at 7. So now how would I subtract? I'll subtract taking the carry from this side. So 13 minus 7, 6 would be here. Remember this, they are asking these type of question while subtraction, and students are taking on 4, or they are seeking for minus thing in that. They are asking the last digit. Last digit cannot be the negative, or you can't put a minus 4 or 4 in this case. So answer is 6 here. Okay, now third type of the question, find the first non-zero digit of a number 80 raised to power 127. Now thing is, when you multiply 80 127 times, that means you are getting number of zeros, but they are asking what? They are asking non-zero digit. So do not get baffled by this thing. Just remove the 0 and find the answer. 8 raised to power 127. So cyclicity of 8 is what? 127. It is 4. So 127 divided by 4, you will get the remainder 3. So remainder 3 mean third number in the cycle of 8. So 8 into 8 is 64, into 8 is 32. So, or you can write the cycle. So answer is 2 in this case. Easy. If they're asking first non-zero digit from the right side, okay, so it would be the answer. Now find the last digit of 1 raised to power 5, 2 raised to power 5, 3 raised to power 5 plus 99 raised to power 5. They're asking the they're asking last digit of this. So thing is, if you think clearly or you go deeply in this, that it is given 1 raised to power 5. We know that it will give 1. 2 raised to power 5. We know cyclicity of 2 is is 4. So remain again it would be 2. As we know that maximum cyclicity is 4, so while jumping to 5 will give the same number in the last digit. So actually it is 1 2 3 1 2 1 to 9. Addition of 1 to 9 would give the last digit. So how to add the natural numbers? N into n plus 1 by 2. So here we have 9 natural numbers, so 9 into 10 by 2. Sum would be 45. 90 by 2, 45. So last digit is 5 in this addition. Right? Okay. So these are the various questions from cyclicity. In the exam, they are asking maximum to maximum. They are asking 2 questions, or it would be 1. In co-cubes, you will get 1 or 2 question from cyclicity, or the power of unit digit.